Mishap. A small accident or mistake. The car had a mishap, but no one was hurt. She had a mishap and dropped her phone. Bumbershoot. Umbrella. Take your bumbershoot. It may rain. He carried a blue bumbershoot. Wrath. Strong anger. He feared his father's wrath. The boss showed no wrath today. Earworm. A song that gets stuck in your head. That song is an earworm. This tune is a big earworm. Somber. Dark, sad, or serious. The room felt somber after the bad news. His face looked somber today. Wizzo. Excellent or really good. The movie was Wizzo. Everyone loved it. He baked a Wizzo cake for the party. Fulminate. To shout or complain angrily. She fulminated about the slow Wi-Fi. He fulminated at the broken window. Moppet. A small child, usually cute. He bought candy for the Moppet next door. The little Moppet laughed as she played with her toy. Quaint. Old-fashioned in a cute or charming way. They visited a quaint cafe in the village. The street had quaint houses with red roofs. Natty. Neat, stylish, or smart. He looked natty in his gray suit. The singer wore a natty outfit on stage.
Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more English lessons. See you in the next video. Happy learning!